Today we talk about how can you disable followers notifications on your Pinterest Lite app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click on your photo down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications here. When you click on notifications, it's going to take us to this list here. Then you click here on bypass notifications. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to followers. So you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my followers notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.